guys, and I'm back with another video, and I'm back with Carlos Games, and today I'm going to be playing a fidget spin. Yo, and looks like I'm about to get hinted. So I played this game before. It's a pretty cool game, okay? So apparently what you have to do is apparently you have to get big, and if someone is bigger than you, they can kill you. And if you get killed, you'll get to restart all over again, like that. What I mean. So I'm a little itty bitty guy, so I'm trying to eat the dots. The bigger dots make you grow big. Why is this guy teaming up on me? Yeah, like a boom ha, boom boom boom, whatever your name is. Like, he killed me right straight away. And you can also watch a video. Like right there. Okay, that's complete. Now you can put it right there. Right there, okay. And now if you're having trouble in growing, they'll just give you watch a video to be grown slowly, and like and then and boom, that's what I mean. Now you'll be big and strong, and you'll be able to eat everyone. So how you guys can see, I'm rank 1 right now. If I can get this guy. Hey, I'm coming back for that revenge on you, huh? And you and shallow. Peoda, patikatiri, tilly. No one can beat me, huh? Wow, what are you doing, little guy? Woo! 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 What are you doing over there? I'm the one. Yay! Okay, now you can also split up. Splitting up as a fidget spinner sucks. Just imagine a fidget spinner got split up. Oh my god, I'm growing big and healthy. Good. Good. And it gets laggier when you start getting big, and then on lags. Like, and I'd always wanted to see what happens. What happens when you search the I can touch the black. Oh no. Oh right, so the rank for this is to get 1000, and I'll go to another level, like play against AI, I don't know. What next level is gonna be? Oh yay! Yes indeed, I always have me a drink with me. You should always have your drink with you in a video. How are we expecting to? Whoa, this is making me dizzy. I'm getting dizzier now. My fidget spinner is going fast. Oh my goodness. Come on. Nerd. Come on. Oh yes. Oh, this is making me way more dizzy. Okay, we're almost there. No, little guy, where do you think you're going? Okay, so yes, we're gonna let these people do their own. So let's hop into another one. Yeah. Okay.
Me and the boys got a new addictive, highly addictive game for you guys. Arrow.io. It's the game you just watched Noah playing right now. Keen and I have
Is this Roman Antwood Vlogs?
Basically, you're like in a 3D maze environment. You run around, you collect the hearts, the gems. That's how you level
Oh
up.
my
You
goodness.
fight your opponents.
I never knew he had an anime like that.
Game's free. It's free games. Go check it out, guys. I'll put the link in the top of my description. Arrow.io.
Oh. I would like to try it for a YouTube video. Please try it. Please install. Oh no, I'm not installing Facebook. This time I don't have Sprite with me. When did I get 232? When did I get it? Weird, when did I get that much coin? You're the pian toasty. Enjoy the music. Where's Jingle Bells? New selection of song. I don't like this game. I'm not gonna do a gameplay. I'll never do a gameplay on this. Cause I don't usually play random games. Hey now one. Oh, what's this? Paper.io, I think. Star Scratch, Hand Skittle. Ah. I don't. Yes, good. Now. The expensive one is this. People would buy this at much money? Dude, what? No, stop targeting me the whole time. You guys are unfair. You guys will regret it after I start eating some Skittle bites. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm saying dumb stuff. Hey, Ben, no, we're friends. Hey, no, we're friends. Okay, good. Hey, I'm Rank. I'm Carlo. You guys good. Oh, did I just wreck him? Okay, yeah, Pennsylvania, Penny, no. Don't wreck me, I'm wrecking you all. No one can stop me, I'm the gingerbread. Man. Okay, I think I was talking about that. They wrecked me, okay? You gotta team on me up. Congrats on teaming on me. That sucks to be teamed on. What's this? Bouncy. What's this? Oh, I'm moving it. Oh, what a... this is... Weird. Okay, that's good right there. No one would be expecting. Never mind, they would. No, I don't need to get bigger. I'm getting your master! Oh, I read them. Oh, damn it. Dead end. Okay, good. Oh, I wrecked everyone. Dead. Bruh, come back. No. Oh, no. Damn it. Where's my name at? Okay, good. I'm on top 3. Chubs. Did I just wreck those two? What a funny name. Oh, I just beat those guys out of it. Great plan. Well, I'm gonna end it there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. So peace out. You.